What about I just had this thought, but tagging, like posting, picking like one city that like you'd really like to try to get business in, because if you just go like national, it's too broad of a goal and you'll end up like being too sporadic for it to actually work. So if you pick a city, like say LA, and you like really want to do an LA wedding, maybe you do somewhere that's a little less competitive because like there's got to be just billions of videographers out there doing that right now in LA. But like pick maybe the second most popular city for content, and like just posting videos but tagging that location like constantly. Like have Paul just like flip that switch to Chicago on every single post that goes up, or like do separate content just for like that one city.
Almost like a fake it till you make it.
Yeah. Just tag the location so your stuff just drops into. That's like a savvy sort of cheat code way of doing it, but why not talk about it? You know what I mean? Because like we're talking, this is in the context of not running paid ads, right? We're not going to do Google ads in a city and like wait for leads to trickle in on the website, assuming like no budget. So organically, like that would be the way to do it. Like just keep tagging the location, hashtag the location, and I would just like pick a city. That would be like your goal for a while, and like see if you can just drip into the discovery section that way organically.